if you're a member of Young Living, you have probably seen in the catalog or online Frankincense Resin. So frankincense resin comes from the frankincense tree, and this is what they distill to get the essential oil. Young Living sells what's called a resin burner. So it's this cute little burner thing you plug in, and it heats up this plate, and you put the resin on top of that, and then it lets off the aroma of the frankincense. So then you're inhaling that and getting all the benefits from the frankincense oil. It says right on the bag that if these are not for internal consumption, although I personally have chewed on these because it's kind of like a gum, and I know people who have. I'm not recommending that. That's your choice. It says on the bag not to. But because it's straight from the tree, there's bits of bark in here and things, so obviously they can't say it's for consumption. The benefits of this are similar to the benefits of the oil. I will tell you some of those: arthritis, inflammation, they help ease pain. Frankincense, generally speaking, helps to calm and relax you. There's so many benefits to the frankincense oil. It's like the coconut oil of essential oils. But you're not going to get that same benefit from the $5 frankincense you buy at the store, because you get what you pay for. But the resin, I know people have used this if they're having gum issues like pain, inflammation, or sores. I know of friends who have, and I have also done this, just chewed on a piece and kind of left it sit inside your gums. I'm actually going to try that today because I do have a sore in my mouth. But it's supposed to help healing just like the oil. It will help to repair and restore. The taste, personally, I have taken frankincense just right on my tongue, and it's obviously doesn't taste like ice cream or anything. The resin is just a little bit strong flavor. It's not my favorite, but I will tolerate it for the benefits. Just a heads up on that. So if you haven't tried this yet, I would recommend trying it. I think the resin burner, if you're a Young Living member, is like around $30. I think it's just under $30. So it's very reasonable to do, and then you're getting all the aromatic benefits of the essential oils. So that is frankincense resin.